If you're looking for a simple recording setup, the Fender Quantum Creator Bundle caught my attention. But is it actually worth the money? Or is this just another overhyped bundle? I looked into what you actually get. And honestly, there is quite a lot here. The bundle includes the Fender Quantum LT2 audio interface, an M7 condenser microphone, HD7 headphones, a microphone cable, and a desktop stand. You also get Fender Studio Pro software. The Quantum LT2 is the main attraction. It gives you 2 inputs and 2 outputs over USB-C. It also has a Fender-designed instrument input for guitar and bass. Fender says it uses a Max HD mic preamp with up to 75 dB of gain. For beginners, that's pretty useful. You can record vocals, guitar, instruments, even podcasts. The M7 microphone is also a large diaphragm condenser mic, and the included HD7 headphones are designed for monitoring, so you don't have to buy every piece separately. But here's where I'd be careful. This is still a starter bundle. If you're already a professional producer with expensive studio equipment, you may want something more advanced. For beginners, though, the package makes much more sense. And the biggest question is the scam part. Based on the official Fender information, this is a real Fender product. It is not some mystery brand pretending to be professional. So, is it legit? Yes. Is it perfect? No. But if you want an all-in-one setup without hunting down every component separately, the Quantum Creator Bundle looks like a solid option.